Howdy folks, we are live at 129. I'm going to go up the line here and copy our 15 spot list as we are battling for Jason's Darth Vader figure there. I'm going to paste the list in here at random. Going to roll the dice, see how many rounds. Got to get at least a 5. We got a 7, which means we're good to go. Good luck, guys and gals, as we get right to it. Scott takes round 1. David Lisa round 2. David Lisa round 3. David Lisa round 4. Gary round 5. Con round 6. And our winner is David and Lisa. Number 15. Congratulations. Here's the verification code. Fevis. F-E-I-V-I-S. David Lisa, number 15, is the champ. Which means I'm done at 1:30 p.m. There it is. Again, here's the official results and the winner. Congratulations. We'll see you next time, guys. Thanks.